Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today we will be installing Active Directory on Windows Server 2016. So I'm gonna head over to my server manager. So in order to do that, first we need to prepare the system. Before we do that, so I'm gonna first I'm gonna change the name of my computer. So I'm gonna name it PDC01. Okay. Okay, close, restart later. So also I'm gonna change my time zone. In my case I'm located in Eastern time. Okay. I'm also gonna disable enhanced security. My firewall is on, it's fine. I also gonna change my dynamic to a static IP. So I'm gonna access my Ethernet, right click on it, properties, IPv4 properties. So I'm gonna name 192.168.150 tab. The subnet mask is okay, and my default gateway is going to be my router. I'm gonna use Cloudflare DNS servers, so they use 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Click OK, close, disable, enable, and that should be good to go. So let's close this up. I'm gonna test for connectivity, so I'm gonna access my command prompt. So I'm getting a reply, so that's good. Let me get an IP of 50, static IP. And now I am good to restart. So let's do that. Local server, and here we can see that we have enabled static IP. So now we can install Active Directory. So let's do that. Add files and features, next, role base, next, select your server, so next, Active Directory domain services, add features, next, yes, install. Okay, so we have this Active Directory installed. So close this up. And you can see here Active Directory is installed. So I'm gonna promote this to a PTC or to a domain controller. So I go more, promote this to a domain, add a new forest, so just name your domain, any domain you have available. So in my case it's gonna go for a local domain, so I go so that's gonna be my domain. Enter a password. Click on next. Next. So this should auto-populate by itself, so just go next. Click on next. Review your configs. Next. And install. So we need to restart for this to take effect. Alright, so now we're about to log in. So just make sure before logging in you get this. You get your domain name before your username or account. So in my case it's fine. So I'm just gonna log in. So by default, Active Directory, whenever you install Active Directory, you will also install DNS services. So we need to configure DNS services as well. So as you can see, we have a Active Directory domain services installed, and we also have DNS. So we didn't have this before. That's because when we install Active Directory, DNS is installed along with it. So I'm gonna make a few changes. I'm gonna tune DNS a little bit. So I'm gonna head to Tools, DNS, and here is my PDC. This is my forward lookup zones. There is no reverse lookup zones. So first, gonna right click on it. I'm gonna set aging and scavenging. So I'm just gonna set it to 1 day. 7 days is a little bit too much. So 1 day it's fine. So click OK. Apply these settings. OK. Also, I'm gonna configure reverse lookup zones. So just right click on it, new zone, new. Primary zone is fine, so click next to all DNS servers, next, IPv4, next. So just click reverse network ID and just type in the first three digits of your IP address. So in my case that'll be 192.168.1. Next, next, and finish. Alright, so next I'm gonna look at my folders. So properties, folders, and here you can see I have Cloudflare DNS servers. So if you want to add one more, that's fine. Let's add Google's. So that's okay. Let's apply. Click OK. Alright, so that's DNS configuration. Let's close that up. And this is our Active Directory, ready to go for whatever role you're gonna use your server for. Alright guys, that's all. Thank you for watching.